Hi, this is the tutorial for how to make AI video using HkTechAI website and Chatgpt.
Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to make AI video using Chatgpt and HkTechAI website. Website link is in the description below. Open the d-id.com website. For the first time when you open it's need to sign up. After signing you will get 20 credits and after every single video making you will use 2 credits. And you can make 5 minutes of one video. First of all you need to choose a presenter or generate it with AI tool. What you need according to your video. You can also make green screen video. For making AI video simple click on the generate video button and start making videos step by step. Let's go, I will guide you. Then use Chatgpt for making script of your video. You can also make. Then click on the language option you will see below in the video. Then click on the voice option and customize your video voiceover. You can also select male or female voiceover for your video. Then select styles and click on the top generate video option to generate your video. It may take some time but it was free and unique videos. After making your video simple, download it and upload the video on YouTube and other platforms. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.
Hi, this is the tutorial for how to make AI video using HkTechAI website and Chatgpt.